Forget side hustles that fizzle out. Forget the gurus selling you empty promises. Every single day, I earn at least $2,000 in passive income. Not from one idea, but from 7. And here's the twist. Some of them you've never seen on YouTube. Let's start with my favorite. Automated t-shirt stores. Think Etsy, Shopify. You search for a shirt, you buy it. But here's the secret. The seller doesn't print it. Apps like Printify or Printful do all the heavy lifting. They print, they ship. You pocket the profit. For me, it's almost fully passive. A design made in Canva plus AI art. Upload, done. The store runs on autopilot. Pros, creative freedom, low time investment, scales fast. Cons, needs a credit or debit card upfront. Marketing is on you unless you piggyback Etsy or Amazon traffic. Now let's talk digital products on Etsy. No inventory, no shipping. Customer buys, Etsy emails them the file. Notion templates, printable PDFs, Canva bundles. Zero cost to duplicate. But creating them takes serious upfront work. Third idea, credit card cash outs. I spend money to make money, but those transactions rack up reward points. Points equal cash or first-class flights. It's like free money for money I was already spending. Fourth, evergreen YouTube and TikTok videos. Trendy videos die fast. Evergreen tutorials, they earn for years. One Canva tutorial I made 3 years ago still makes me $5 to $20 every single day. Fifth, affiliate marketing. Drop a link, someone buys, you earn. Before I even hit 1,000 YouTube subs, affiliate commissions were already rolling in. You don't need a massive following. You need trust plus helpful content. Sixth, leveraging tax money. When you're self-employed, you keep cash until tax day. I park mine in high-yield savings. It earns interest while waiting for the government. It's subtle, but powerful. Seventh, automated email sequences. I give away a free ebook. Subscribers join my list. But instead of me writing weekly, autoresponders drip out pre-written, value-packed emails. They send traffic back to my YouTube, which makes more ad revenue, completely passive. 7 income streams, each different, each stacking, and together, $2,000 plus a day. Which one would you start today? Click here for my next video and keep building your own passive empire.